Long gone are the days of having huge CSS files that each have 10 classes inside of them and are impossible to keep track of. Tailwind is a CSS framework that comes with pre-made utility classes that you can write in-line in your code, allowing for super easy customization and removing the need for external CSS files. To set up Tailwind in your project, follow the installation guide within this Getting Started tab. If you used a particular framework like Next.js or Vite to set up the project, click Framework Guides and click whichever framework you used. I used Vite, so I would follow this guide. Once you've completed those steps, you're free to add Tailwind classes to your code. Tailwind properties go in the class property or class name if you're using React. Want to make this text white? Text white. Want to make this text huge? Text 8XL. Want to make this background red? We can do BG red, pick a shade, we'll go 500. Want to add 12 pixels of padding? P12. You want to add a 4 pixel border? Border 4. Let's make the font bold by writing font bold. Want to round the edges? We can say rounded, and we'll go with large. Every possible utility class is on Tailwind's website. Want to know how to adjust the width? Go on the left here and we can find the width tab. And here it'll give you all the options for width. If you want to know how to make a flexbox or a grid, we can scroll up, we find that right here. And we can check every other possible flex property. Any class you could ever possibly want to use is in the docs. You can also add prefixes plus a colon to classes to affect certain states. I can write hover BG blue 500 and hover cursor pointer if I wanted to change the hover behavior. Save this now, and now when I hover over the button, you can see it changes. You can also use prefixes like light and dark to discern between light and dark mode. Prefixes are also used for responsive design, which means applying classes to only certain screen sizes. For example, LG BG blue 500 means a background will be blue on large screens or bigger. You can see that behavior here. I have a full video on responsive design right here. Just like the classes, all these prefixes are also on Tailwind's website. Congrats, now you know how to use Tailwind.